Yun po mga kababayan, ma'am sir, this is Jom, the Filipino channel po ang iyong pong lingkod. So today nga is December 15, 2024. Tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan sa may Makati Stock Exchange building sa may main drop o sa may Ayala Avenue, Bel Air, Makati po yan. At dadalhin natin sa may SM Jazz Residences Tower C sa may Nicanor Garcia, Bel Air, sa Bel Air, Makati pa rin po yan. Okay po, sa magbabalik po tayo mamaya unti. Pag nakuha na po natin sila, disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, sa kasakaliman po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan po ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organization, sa government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-usapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan po sa labas. Sabi po, sa magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Entry sa labas.
It's just in Jazz.
Sa dates to.
Pwede din tayo dito straight. Tapos sa may Metropolitan tayo mag rights. Straight.
Dito po. Tama po.
Pwede din dito. Tapos
Sige,
ano
dito.
tayo.
Tayo nating umupa. Dahil
How much is the electricity of Makati?
This is the question. But I have to say they're so stylish now. Compared to before.
Yeah.
Very classy and cool looking.
I like the one. The one light on. How do you call this one? Firefly light. Firefly light and the beam light.
I don't know which one you mean. Brother.
No, it's not fun. It's not a firefly.
Even like the stars and everything, they're like it's like very designed.
It's made of cappies. I think.
Do you think they're overreal? I think they're overreal. Then it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Shells.
Shells.
You don't think they use plastic for this amount of?
No, I think they will recycle it. They will just reuse it. My hands, it smells like truffle. Truffle rocket.
That's a good problem to have, I guess. Oh my gosh, I need some more chocolates.
I will do it again tonight. I will just wrap my neck before sleeping.
Good idea.
Mental. Diretso po, kuya.
We had a very nice evening. It's trying to get angry about everything.
Yeah. Ginaw. to, by the way, what happened to Gabby and to,
Really?
like for Gabby?
Okay, so na-drop na natin sila. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat. At God bless po us all po. Paano po muna pansamantala at gagawa na po natin ng separate video itong ating susunod na mission. So paano po muna pansamantala po at siya na, hindi tayo nagtuloy-tuloy na nag-film sapagkat syempre medyo hindi tayo nagpaalam dahil ano po nag-uusap sila. So yun, so pagpasensyahan yung ating mumunting nakakayanan lang kung hanggang doon lang. Okay po, so maraming salamat po sa panonood. Ingat at God bless po. Paalam po.